This is no ordinary van. This is camping evolved. Meet the Scope 18T camper van from Thor Motor Coach. The interior is designed for comfort and living. This is everything you need for those trips you've always dreamed of, whether you're out on a solo adventure or traveling with a few friends. Look at this. You have a fully equipped kitchen. You can do a lot more in here than you can around a campfire. It's easy to pack up as the Scope 18T offers unmatched storage with a place for everything: clothes, food, dishes, even this. You're going to love the versatility of traveling everywhere in your Scope 18T. Go ahead, spend a few hours on the slopes, hit the road, then enjoy sunset on the beach. Or maybe you're ready to find a place away from it all and simply unplug. The 18T floor plan is designed so you can easily go from day to dinner to dreaming. Go from camping to glamping. Your tent is up here in the sky bunk. The Scope is easy to drive. It's easy to park. It's easy to set up. So you can go off the grid, go exploring, go anywhere in the Scope 18T from Thor Motor Coach.